Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start immediately by powering the watch off. This prevents accidental inputs and protects internal components. Place the watch face down on a soft cloth, then remove any strap that blocks the seam. Next, inspect the case seam and the button cutouts. These are your leverage points. Use a thin plastic pry tool at the seam near a corner. Gently twist to create a small gap. Work slowly because forcing it can deform the case. Once you see space, move to the next edge. Once you have an initial gap, continue around the perimeter in short, controlled motions so clips release sequentially. You want to insert a plastic opening pick and slide it a few millimeters, then rotate. This reduces stress on the plastic. Make sure to avoid the digital crown and sensor window. Those areas often hide extra clips. If a clip resists, back up a bit and try the opposite side. This redistributes tension. Keep tactile feedback in mind. A soft snap means released, not broken. You're at the finish. Lift the case gently from the largest open section and slide your finger beneath to separate remaining clips. Once off, inspect gasket seals and clips for cracks or compression. Damaged parts cause poor fit or water resistance loss. If the case won't budge, apply mild heat from a hairdryer for 10-15 seconds to soften plastic, then retry. Make sure not to overheat. Troubleshooting tip: if a clip still resists, approach it from the opposite side to equalize tension and prevent snapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.